Would I be the a-hole if I didn't go to my daughter's weddings? Two of my daughters are getting married on the same day. I know, shaking my head. The older one thought the younger one did it to be spiteful, but we've since confirmed that the wedding hall the younger one wants to get married at only had a limited number of slots, and the next available slot is almost a year later unless someone cancels. On top of that, they're getting married on opposite sides of the country. My husband and I decided we would each go to one of their weddings, but now both of them are upset because my older daughter wants me at her wedding and my younger daughter wants her father to walk her down the aisle. Okay, fine, we'll switch. Nope, my younger daughter wants me at her wedding and my older daughter wants her father to walk her down the aisle. I'm about ready to throw my hands up. I was on a three-way call with my daughters this morning, and they were arguing so much I just got fed up and said that I wasn't going to either wedding and hung up. I felt bad about it a little later, but I honestly think this is the best solution if they can't be mature and resolve this amongst themselves reasonably.